If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hey, hi everyone. Good morning to all present here. So this is Viru. So welcome you all to the today's live webinar on Workday HCM Mentorship Program demo. So we'll start over the session. So let me walk you through the disclaimer first. So all the presentation images and information contained in this slide is for information purpose only. So complying with all the applicable copyrights law is the responsibility of the user. So all the documents given here should not be reproduced into other system. Credits shall be given to the images taken from the open source and cannot be used for promotional activities. So let's move on to the agenda of this course. So here we'll just going through the introduction and the Workday and the history of Workday, the job outlook, the salary trend, the course objectives, and what are all the requisites required, the course curriculum, and introduction to Workday fundamentals, HCM, and job readiness program, and what are all the offers provided from an organization, ZaranTech, etc. So let me go ahead with my introduction. So myself, Viru. I have overall of 5 years of experience in Workday across modules of HCM, recruiting, security, integrations, and time tracking. So basically, I hold 2 Workday certifications. One is Workday Core HCM and Workday Integrations. So going forward, I'll be responsible for delivering you the Workday HCM fundamental training. So it comprises of both practical and theoretical classes. So it will be a very good much learning experience for you. And I promise you this will be a very helpful for you to kickstart your career in Workday HCM. So about Workday. So Workday is basically a cloud-based enterprise resource planning platform that provides a suite of applications for finance, human resources, student and faculty services. So it offers a range of features and tools for managing and automating the various business processes, including payroll, benefits, time tracking, leave and absence, expense management, talent management, recruiting, and so and so. So basically, Workday is a SaaS-based model. It is a software as a service model. So unlike other ERP products, you can access Workday with just a simple URL. So once your Workday account has been set up, and if you have access to this URL, you will be able to access Workday on the go from anywhere in the world. So let's see about a small history of Workday. So in 2005, Dave Duffield and Anil Bushri founded Workday. In 2007, Workday launched its first product, cloud-based financial management system. In 2010, they later expanded it to HCM applications. In 2011, Workday has been issued a IPO and become a publicly traded company. So on 2013, they announced the partnership with AWS to provide cloud-based HCM and financial management. In 2015, acquires a company that provided tools for talent acquisition and management. And on 2017, they announced the launch of Workday Financial Management System. And on 2018, they expand its product line to business planning and budgeting tools. And on 2019, they announced the acquisition of Adaptive Insights as well. So this is a short history of Workday. So let me move on to the next slide. So we'll just have a look over the job outlook of Workday HCM and the career opportunities here. So Workday, currently Workday HCM consultants earn an average of $112,000 per year. It is an average. So the amount starts from 64 for around 60K range to up to 200,000 range, and the trends keep on increasing. There is no any decrease in the salary or the job trend, day by day it's getting more interest in this job. So you'll be having the titles like project manager, Workday HCM consultant, HR manager, senior executive, finance manager around the Workday HCM jobs. So the top three industries in Workday HCM where this is growing is, one is information technology and e-commerce side, and another is automotive industry. So yeah, as I said, the salary ranges, if you check, means for a Workday consultant, an average salary ranges from $130,000 per year. So it varies from 47K and up to $195, $195,000. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. So here, this is a market trend. So here, if you see the salary trends of the Workday HCM consultant is keep on increasing. So let me move on to the next slide. So these are some industries which uses Workday. Those are of financial services, manufacturing units, technology units, healthcare and pharmaceuticals, professional services, government, higher education, and non-profit organizations. So there are a variety of university industries being using the Workday. So what will be the course objectives? So in this course, we will be mastering the core concepts, navigations of Workday HCM suite, learning all about the terminologies, business processes, and functionalities involved in the Workday suite, learn overview of the Workday reports, studio, and cloud connectors, attain potential to implement the Workday best practices. So what are all the prerequisites required? So these are all the we will need experience in HR and recruitment will be beneficial, and basic knowledge in SAP HCM is recommended. Uh, since this Workday HCM is more of a functional kind of setup, so there won't be any we require much coding knowledge or any special experience before starting this like that. So anybody can start this Workday HCM. Yeah, so there are some jargons here. If you want to learn more about the HR and HCM related jargons, you can just access this link so that you can just have a better idea on that. So let me move on to the next slide. Okay, who should take up this course? So human resources of an organization or recent MBA graduates with finance or HR specialization, or any professionals who are planning to for a career switch, who wishes to move into the stream of finance and HR. So they are all eligible to take up this course. So what are all the training benefits we get? So we offer training and certification options to aid the trainees in enhancing their knowledge to next level. So we ensure that our experienced instructors will guide each trainee in upgrading their relevant skills and subject knowledge. So all the enrolled students will be receiving the course where like the assignments, assessment labs, and case studies based on the real-time scenarios. As I said, right? So it comprises both the theoretical and practical sessions. So after each session, we will be logging into our tenant and we will be practicing all the things which we learned in the theory session. So each of them will be given an assignment. So you'll be have to set up those configurations in the tenant. Yeah, the enrolled student can access the training blog and recorded videos of each session. Okay, so what is Workday HCM? So as I said earlier, Workday HCM is Workday Human Capital Management System. It is a configurable software as a service solution. So yeah, unlike other ERP products, you don't need a separate application to be installed in your system. So you can access this Workday anywhere from the world. You just need a necessary security access to the Workday's URL, and once your account has been set up, you will be able to access this Workday anywhere from the world. So Workday HCM basically helps to organize, staff, pay, and develop global workforce by establishing the global consistency. It offers a unified human resources and talent management solution. This platform enables you to embrace changes by providing workforce and operation insights. So these are all the list of modules covered in this Workday HCM training. We'll be going over through Workday Fundamentals, Workday HCM, and Workday Job Readiness Program. So the Workday Fundamentals comprises of these 5 segments. The HCM involves these 10 segments and the Readiness Program involves these segments. So we'll be going over through each segment in the upcoming slides. So let's move on to the introduction to Workday Fundamentals. So Workday origin. So in Workday, origin refers to the source of piece of data or the starting point of the process. As we all know, right? Origin basically it's nothing but the starting piece. So it is a way for tracking where the data comes from or how a process was initiated. The origin field is used to identify the source of data that is entered into the Workday or to track the starting point of the process. So basically, the terminologies used inside Workday the same name. So for example, we are just going to create a custom report means, so the task required for this creation of custom report itself is called as create custom report. So it will be very easy for you to remember the tasks. There is no point for you to noting all the steps or tasks to be done in the Workday. So everything is delivered in a simple English, so it will be very easy for you. So Workday architecture. Yeah, Workday architecture. Workday is a software company that provides a cloud-based HCM and finance management software to large and mid-sized organizations. In terms of organizational structure, Workday has a clear hierarchy with multiple levels of management and leadership. So we'll just go through some organization structure in Workday. So Workday has hierarchy. Hierarchy is nothing but the step level. The organization structure, right? The top level manager and the mid level manager and the subordinate. So it has a clear hierarchical pattern followed in Workday. So it also supports a flat structure. Workday also has a relatively flat structure with fewer levels of management compared to some other companies. This allows for faster decision making and increased communication and collaboration across the organization. Cross-functional teams. So Workday encourages the formation of cross-functional teams where employees from different departments work together to achieve a common goal. This helps to foster a sense of teamwork and collaboration. So for example, like there is a certain task to be done, and for this performing this particular task, we need employees from different departments. So Workday supports these kind of scenarios. So in that case, we'll be getting the help from each the team members from the different organizations. We group them into a single organization and perform and made them to complete the task. So emphasis on employee development. Workday places a strong emphasis on employee development and growth and offers a variety of resources and programs to support employees in their professional development as well. Diversity and inclusion. Workday values diversity and inclusion and strives to create a workplace culture where all the employees feel welcome, valued, and supported. Flexibility. Workday offers flexible work arrangements such as remote work and flexible scheduling to help employees achieve work-life balance. So let's move on to the Workday HCM key product areas. So this pictorial representation shows the key product areas for human capital management, which includes recruitment, talent management, time tracking, project and work management, benefits, planning and analysis, payroll, HCM, big data analytics, so and so. So we'll go through each in the upcoming slide. Yeah. So Workday Big Data Analytics. This provides a pre-built analytic templates that address key business issues for HR and finance. Recruitment. Workday recruitment helps to find, engage, and select the best internal and external candidates for your organization. Talent management system. Workday talent management helps to align, assess, reward, and develop your workforce. Time tracking. So Workday time tracking reduces labor costs, compliance risks, and increase worker productivity. Workday project and work management link people, strategy, work, and results. Workday administration benefits helps to easily design and implement any number of benefit plans. Workday planning and analytics gives a complete picture of talent supply and demand to align people to business objectives. Payroll solutions. Payroll addresses a full spectrum of enterprise payroll needs with flexibility, control, and greater insights. HRM. Workday Human Resource Management helps to organize, staff, and pay global workforce by establishing global consistency. Yeah. So this image represents all the verticals or all the application areas where Workday has been implemented. So which involves banking sector, health and insurance, higher education, state and local government bodies, life science, manufacturing technology, professional and business services. So there are variety of usages of Workday HCM in all these areas. So this is the, let me zoom it. So these are all the phases inside Workday HCM Human Capital Management. So which includes organization benefits, absence, compensation, recruiting, onboarding, goals and performance, succession, career development, payroll, time tracking, and big data. So Workday is basically very highly secured application. So we have security even until to the micro level. For example, there is a we do see a comment box inside Workday. So for that particular section alone, we can able to secure. So for such kind of security level, we have access there. And Workday stands as a unique sell point for based on the Workday's UI. So Workday's UI is currently the best UI compared to other market products. So it is feasible to use in all in the systems like laptop, your computer, even in your mobile. It's like that. Yeah. So to summarize, that's what Workday HCM is a unified global cloud application, and it has its UI is very good compared to other market products. So let me move on to the introduction to Workday's job readiness program. So the Workday job readiness program is a training and development program designed to prepare each individual for job opportunities in the field of Workday. So this program is designed to give participants the necessary skills and the knowledge they need to become proficient in using the Workday system and to successfully perform in a role that utilizes Workday. So what will be the role of a Workday consultant? Workday consultant is a professional who specializes in the implementation, customization, and providing support for the Workday system managed in the organization. Their main role is to assist the organizations in implementing the Workday system to support their business operation and processes. This may include configuring the system, creating the reports, providing training to end users. Okay, now let's we look on to the offers provided by ZaranTech. So let me give a quick background on ZaranTech. So why we have to choose ZaranTech? So ZaranTech was mentioned with an interview with Focus Cloud, a UK-based company, as the only company and resource outside of Workday to upskill and get trained in Workday, where you don't have access to community, Workday community. So even though you don't have Workday community access, ZaranTech may assist you with the providing the necessary skills to upskill you in the Workday career. So all our trainers are from USA. Each trainer has more than 4 Workday implementation experience. We only hire trainers who are Workday certified. So you can just check in YouTube, like for any Workday related videos, you will be seeing the most videos with comes under ZaranTech channel. So we provide good quality content and what is necessary to kickstart our career in Workday across all the modules, be it Workday HCM, recruiting, time tracking, integrations, and etc. We also provide the tenant access where you can able to practice all the learnings which you have gained through the learning session. So after the training is completed, ZaranTech provides a job readiness program. This includes the resume, interview, and LinkedIn assistance and placement guidance at no cost to you. Each workday course, students get full courseware, which includes session PPTs, assignments, assessments, and labs, etc. So here you can have a sample on this. So we offer all the services at a very nominal price. So we also guarantee you a 7 days full money back policy. And we have a 4 to 4.4 Google review rating out of 5. As I said, it is a US based company. Yeah, we have also delivered trainings to customers in the US. So our learning management system involves 1 year access to our recorded session videos, lifetime access to our materials, and 24/7 technical support. So this is our LinkedIn community page. Okay, so that's all we have come to the end of the session. Okay, thank you for all your support. I would appreciate if you leave feedback after this session. Thank you. We'll meet you at the next session. Thank you all. See you.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and we will reply to them at the earliest.